So today we'll be unboxing the prices of items in the market. The pepper cost 500 and the onions 500. You can see it. I think 4 pieces. Oh, 500. And this pepper cost 500 naira. So making 1,000. Buy a rubber of tomato. You can see it here. Cost 1,500. This cabbage costs 200. Tell me, is it cheap or is it expensive? So, but this tomato costs 800 naira. Then these ones are dry pepper. They are just dried. That's it. Dry pepper cost 600 for half noodle. Why 3 apple for 500 naira. So I'm cooking bitter leaf soup and oha soup. So this is called ede. You can see it. So this cost 1,000 naira. 1,000. Why this cow meat? This cow meat costs per kilo is 6.5. So this kilo, 1 kilo 6,500. 6,500. So I just got this for 1,000. This one does not have fat. I want to use it for shawarma. This costs 1.5. So this kind of chicken, don't know if you know it. This quarter kilo, 1,500. Why this roll of sachet tomato, test it on, cost 800 naira. Sorry, 900 naira for roll. Packet of Maggi cost 1,600 star. Here is chicken meat. Or let's say chicken. Just chicken, not chicken meat. Sorry. So this chicken costs, you can see it. This chicken costs 8,500 per one. 8,500 for the chicken. Then this oha cost, this oha is 500 naira. Why for the bitter leaf? You can see how it's tight in the leather. They tied it in the leather already. 4 for 500. You see it. This for 500 naira. I think this pomo is 500. So this is 3, 1,500. I think this stockfish, dry fish. This dry fish costs 2,000. For the stockfish, 3,000. This 2,000 and 500. That's 3,000. 5,000 naira. Then crayfish. This Benny I just got 200 per one. So here is 6. Then this crayfish is sold. This crayfish is sold for 200. So 3, 500. 500 now for these 3. Then a rubber of red oil costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 naira for a rubber. So this ogili, see it? We call it local mangi, costs 100 naira. So since I'm cooking bitter leaf soup and oha soup, I'll be making use of 1 each. This one for the bitter leaf, then 1 for the oha soup. So thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.